Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best light cord is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of holiday decorating, but it's absolutely crucial for bringing those classic blow molds to life. These vintage decorations often rely on a simple light cord to create their festive glow, and when that cord fails, it can put a real damper on your holiday cheer. Today, we're diving into the world of replacement light cords to ensure your blow molds shine bright all season long. Number 5. Christmas Village Lights Cord Kit. This kit includes 2 accessory cords, each with an LED light bulb. The warm white light is perfect for illuminating your Christmas village or other holiday crafts. It provides a bright and safe lighting solution. The 1W LED bulb consumes less power while providing ample brightness. This design helps to prevent burns and melting, making it safe for everyone. The lower wattage ensures energy efficiency. Unlike other similar products, this kit includes 2 spare fuses for each cord. You can easily replace a fuse if needed. This feature ensures the longevity and safety of the product. The cord features an on-off switch and an adjustable metal fixing. This allows for easy control and secure placement on your crafts. The white cord blends seamlessly with most decorations. The package includes 2 assembled LED bulbs with cords and an instruction manual. You don't need to spend time on installation, just plug it in and enjoy. It's a convenient and ready-to-use lighting solution. What we like. This light cord features an energy-saving LED bulb, which is safer and more efficient. It also includes spare fuses, providing extra protection. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use light cord for your Christmas village or holiday crafts, you should consider this one. What people say. These work well and the light is brighter than the typical night light bulb. Lights fit perfectly, came packaged well to protect and even included the bulb. The long cord allows for easy relocation to different spots in the room. Number 4. General Foam MB48 Replacement Light Cord. Are you looking for a replacement cord? This is the perfect solution for your General Foam blow mold decorations. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use. This 36-inch cord is ideal for a wide range of holiday decorations. It is great for Christmas village houses and Halloween decorations. Whether it's Santa Claus, snowmen, reindeer, or pumpkins, this cord will light them up. It is perfect for your blow molds and craft projects. The cord has a circumference of about 3.5 inches. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your existing decorations, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. The package includes 1 replacement cord with a socket, a red round plate, a screw, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything you need for a quick and easy setup. What we like. This replacement cord is built for both indoor and outdoor use, offering versatility for your decorating needs. It's designed to fit a variety of blow mold products, from Christmas villages to Halloween decorations. If you have a General Foam blow mold or similar product, this cord is a great choice. What people say. Works and fit perfectly. Fit the same size cover so no water can get inside the mold of Santa Claus and Frosty and worked as expected. They worked great. Easy to install. They are sturdy. Number 3. General Foam MB48 Replacement Light Cord. This is a replacement cord for your General Foam blow mold decorations. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for your holiday displays. The cord has a circumference of about 3.5 inches. This size is ideal for various blow mold plastics, ensuring a secure fit for your decorations. The cord is 36 inches long, providing ample length for your setup. It's a versatile solution for powering your festive displays. Use it for Christmas village houses, Santa Claus figures, snowmen, reindeer, pumpkins, and more. It's a great way to keep your holiday spirit shining bright. The package includes 1 replacement cord with a socket and instructions. It's a simple and straightforward process to get your decorations lit up again. This replacement cord is suitable for General Foam blow mold products and other similar decorations. It's a reliable choice for your holiday lighting needs. What we like. This replacement cord is built for both indoor and outdoor use, offering versatility for your decorating needs. It's designed to fit a variety of blow mold products, from Christmas villages to Halloween decorations. If you have a General Foam blow mold or similar product, this cord is a great choice. What people say. It was a perfect fit and shines brighter than it used to. This one fit perfectly, I couldn't believe it. As shown, fit perfectly, easy install, nice to have all the figures lit up again. Number 2. BesLowe LED light cord for holiday decorations. This accessory cord features a flexible clip for easy installation. It can be easily snapped into various decorations with a hole diameter of at least 1 inch. The compact design ensures it fits perfectly into any ornament. The clip is made of durable metal, ensuring it won't break easily. The thick, white cord is tangle-free and well-insulated, providing safety for you and your family. The cord is 6 feet long, providing easy access to wall sockets. It includes a 360 degrees on-off rotary switch and a 2-prong plug for convenient lighting control. The LED light bulb consumes only 1 W, providing bright, warm white light. It saves energy compared to incandescent bulbs and generates less heat, making it safer to use. This miniature design is ideal for various decorations. It's perfect for salt lamps, Christmas village houses, and other holiday and craft projects. What we like. This cord features an easy clip-in setup, making it simple to install in your decorations. It's made with durable and safe materials, ensuring long-lasting use. If you like a hassle-free installation and energy-efficient lighting, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works perfectly. Very nice lights, easy to replace the old ones. These are exactly what I needed to repair my lighthouses. Number 1. Enhon C7 LED light cord, 4-pack. This is the Enhon C7 LED light cord. It's a 6-foot black cord with a warm white C7 LED bulb. It's perfect for creating a cozy holiday atmosphere. This accessory cord is UL 588 certified, ensuring safe use for your holiday decorations. The cord is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, but please be mindful of the weather. The plug has dual fuse protection, with spare fuses included. This extra layer of safety protects against short circuits and bulb burnout. Replacing a fuse is easy. The E12 base provides high brightness with low power consumption. The lamp socket includes an adjustable metal fixing clip. It's great for village houses and crafts. This light cord is perfect for various decorations. It's suitable for Christmas village houses, ceramic trees, and more. Use it for your holiday and everyday decor. What we like. This light cord comes with built-in dual fuse protection for added safety. It also includes an on-off switch for convenient control. If you are looking for a safe and easy-to-use light cord for holiday decorations, this is a great option. What people say. I used a few for blow molds. Works great. These work really well in the nightlight. Just drill out a hole, a Furstern bit works best, and with these lights you push them up through the hole and the clips hold the light in place. Easy to turn on and off with the switch on cord, and LED makes them last a long time. They provided just the right amount of brightness to highlight the scene beautifully. Easy to use and reliable, they worked perfectly for the setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.